I get to be your first girl kiss?
It's gonna be really special.
I brushed my teeth.
I brushed mine too, and I had a mint.
You had a mint? Oh,
yeah.
good. I did not have a mint. I only brushed my teeth and had water to like keep the... Hi, I'm Victoria.
Ali, nice to meet you.
Ali?
Yes. Where are you from?
Well, I moved here from New York.
How old are you? I'm just curious.
I'm gonna be 25 in 8 days.
Oh, okay. You just looked a lot younger. I feel really good now.
Has anyone asked you or told you look like Katy Perry?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Absolutely.
I feel like I need cherry chapstick for this moment, but...
Why would you need cherry chapstick?
You know the song, I Kissed a Girl and I Liked It?
Oh!
Cherry chapstick, yeah!
I'm ready.
I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, a little bit. This is literally the first time I've ever kissed a girl, so that'll be interesting. It'll be
I
my
get to
first.
be your first
I know.
girl kiss?
It's gonna be really special.
Come on over here.
All right, hey.
Okay. Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
How was
Okay.
that?
It's pretty normal.
Do you want to kiss me again?
Sure.
Yeah, keep going.
What? Did I kiss funny?
No, it's... No, it's sweet. You have really nice lips. It's sweet.
Oh, thank you, you as well.
This is so funny.
That was a very...
Awkward?
A little bit. Little baby bit.
Cool.
Wow, that was interesting.
Yeah. You know, there's like no like sexual desire there at all. So you're just like, just doing the motions.
It's cute.
Yeah, it was like, this is cute. This is okay. We're kissing.
You know you're a good kisser.
Oh,
I support you.
Oh, you're
You
so
go get those men, and I'll do the same.
Yeah. You're awesome kissing.
Oh, thank you. Tell all the boys that next time.
Bring it in. That was fun.
That was fun.
It's nice meeting you. Thank you for being my first. I'll never forget you.
You'll never forget me.
I know.
I love that. Yeah, you look like you're gonna cry.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm alright. I cry when I'm nervous.
I'm sorry, but it was awkward.
I know.
It was.
Okay.
You have beautiful eyes, by the way.
Thanks!
I just have to say that. Like.